Assalamu alaikum. Hi everybody, how are you? I am Abdul Samad from Isapura Government Model High School, Shiladikar, Monchiganj. I would like to greet all the students of class 6 and 7. Dear students, you are most welcome in my class. Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic. It is punctuation mark. Okay. What do you see in the picture? A plane, right? How will you feel if you have a plane journey? Wow, it will be great. What do we call the red marks in the sentence? Dear students, can you tell? Okay, it is punctuation. You are right. What do you see in the picture? A car. I like this car. Can you tell what is wrong with the sentence? Any wrong? Of course, there is a wrong. At the end of the sentence, there will be full stop. Full stop. Okay. Here are some vegetables. They are capsicum, cucumber, tomato, onion, chili, and mint. Is there any wrong with this sentence? Where is the wrong? Okay. Dear class? If there are more than two parts of speech, there will be comma. There will be comma. Here are some vegetables. It is complete sentence. It makes complete sense. There will be a full stop at the end of the sentence. There are capsicum, a parts of speech. There will be a comma, cucumber, tomato, onion, chili, and mint. There will be no comma because what is the name of the flower? Can you say? And is there any wrong with this sentence? Sunflower, right. Is there any wrong with this sentence? Okay, there is wrong. At the end of the sentence, there will be an interrogation mark. Interrogation mark, a question mark will be at the end of the sentence. Okay. Wow, the bird is very beautiful. Is there any wrong with this sentence? Dear students, try to say. Of course, there is a wrong with this sentence because it is an exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. As an exclamatory sentence, there will be, we can use there an mark of exclamation. Wow. Okay. At the end, in exclamatory sentence, we use hurrah, alas, wow. After these very words, we use note of exclamation, right? Look at the picture. Okay, the picture is very beautiful, right? There is a garden. How beautiful the garden is. How beautiful the garden is. Is there any wrong with this sentence? Yes, there is wrong. Where? At the end of the sentence, we will use note of exclamation. right? Here is a note of exclamation. Look at the picture. What are the students doing there? Okay, the teacher said to the students, may you pass in the exam. Any wrong with this sentence? Yes. Okay, it is a direct speech, right? In direct speech, we use inverted comma. In direct speech, we use inverted comma. Okay, may you pass in the examination. Look, may you pass in the examination. Here we use inverted comma. Okay, dear class, there are some sentences here, 5 sentences, and there are some punctuation marks here. Use proper punctuation marks after the sentence. Okay. Where are you going? Hurrah, we have won the game. I love my mother very much. I usually take bread, jelly, banana and apples as my breakfast. My sister says I like sunrise. Any wrong with this sentence? Okay, where are you going? It is an interrogative sentence. At the end of the sentence, there will be used, okay, you are right, interrogation mark, question mark. Okay, hurrah, we have won the game. Hurrah. It is an exclamatory sentence. There will be used exclamation mark, note of exclamation. Where we will use exclamation mark after the word of hurrah. I love my mother very much. It is assertive sentence. Complete, it makes complete sense. At the end of the sentence, we will use note full stop. I usually take bread. Bread is a word. Jelly is a separate word. Banana is another word. Okay. I usually take bread. We will use here. Try to say it, student. Comma. Jelly. Comma. Banana and apples. There will be no punctuation mark. Okay, my sister says I like sunrise. I like sunrise is a direct speech. Okay, in direct speech we will use inverted commas. We will use inverted commas. Okay, here is inverted commas. Thank you so much for your nice activity. Okay, dear students, here is a passage for you. Try to use proper punctuation marks in this passage. You are given 2 minutes. Okay, try to use proper punctuation marks in this passage. Okay, students. Let us check. Oh, what a great journey it was. I went on my first train journey. I traveled with my father, mother, and brother, Borishal to Khulna. Do you like traveling? My father asked me in the train. Okay. Oh, what a great journey it was. What would be used here? Punctuation mark. a note of exclamation. What a great journey it was. Punctuation marks, note of exclamation. I went on my first journey. It is a complete sentence, assertive sentence. What will be used at the end of the sentence? Dear students, try to say. Right, full stop. I traveled with my father, mother, and brother. Father, a word. There will be, we used here a comma, mother and brother. No punctuation marks. But what will be at the end of the sentence? Barishal to Khulna. A full stop. We used here a full stop. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Okay. It is an interrogative sentence. We used here note of interrogation. My father asked me. We used here, do you like? My father asked me. Okay. Do you like traveling? It is a direct speech. That's why we use here inverted commas. Thank you all. No more today. See you again with another session. Okay, student, be safe, be protected. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay.